friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can make an excellent probiotic rich homemade soda from watermelon at home. To make watermelon soda, of course we need watermelon. This recipe is very easy, but right now I am struggling to cut the watermelon. Wow, why this is yellow? I was expecting a red seedless watermelon, but never mind. So now I will cut the watermelon in small pieces and I will remove the rinds. Since this watermelon having seeds, I am going to remove the seeds and then I will blend the watermelon into a nice juice. So I have blended the watermelon and now I am going to strain so that any small pieces left will be removed. I was expecting red watermelon, but I think I am liking this color. This yellow is really very unique. If you serve this to your guests, they might be thinking this is mango soda. I'm loving this color actually. Okay, so these are the fibers I'm going to throw. And now this is the time for bottling the juice. Take a clean sterilized bottle. You can use flip top bottle, but I'm going to show you can use a normal bottle too. Just make sure the cap you can put it very tight. I have added 1.5 spoons sugar so that during the fermentation yeast will have sufficient food and you will get good carbonation. Even though the watermelon juice is quite sweet, but I'm going to add water a little bit, so that's why I am adding little sugar also. And now this is the most important ingredient to make soda. This is my homemade yeast, ginger bug, made out of ginger and sugar. I'm straining the ginger so that the ginger will not go inside the juice. If you are not familiar how to make ginger bug, you can check the description, I will put the link there. So after adding ginger bug, I'm going to add some water, around 200 ml. From the watermelon, I got 650 ml juice. And then I have added 50 ml ginger bug and now 200 ml water. So I am going to get 900 ml watermelon soda. When I started shooting this video, it was almost going to be evening. So right now you can see outside is quite dark. That's why the lighting is not very suitable. Anyway, put the cap very tight, almost like airtight, and shake it very well. And then leave it in room temperature for at least 24 hours. After that you can put in refrigerator, but watermelon soda you can't keep for long time. You have to consume and finish it within 2-3 days. This is after 40 hours and I am going to open the bottle now. In between I have burped one time because watermelon is a very strong fruit. It creates lots of carbonation and that's why it's better to burp regularly. If you don't burp, your bottle can explode. That's why burping is very important. I was just trying to open the cap and you can see lots of carbonation and bubbles inside. So when you are opening the cap, you also have to be very careful. Put a big bowl below and then open the cap very slowly to avoid any overflowing. Just to let you know, you shouldn't throw the watermelon rinds. You can ferment them. The fermented rinds are really tasty. You can check out the link in the description. Look at this bottle. Every time I'm trying to open the cap, it's going to overflow. That's why I'm just opening slowly so that the gas, the carbonation will release slowly and there will be less pressure inside. Wow, awesome. I really don't understand why people still consuming Coke or Cola. You can create so nice, healthy, probiotic rich, strong soda at home. You really don't need to go for those unhealthy, high sugar, artificially carbonated drinks, which doesn't add any value to your health. Adding little mint to add some flavor. And here is our watermelon soda ready for consumption. When you ferment fruits, vegetables, you get good bacteria called probiotic. So you don't need probiotic supplements. You can easily make everything at home. Check out my channel to get more fermented food and drinks recipes. Those are yummy and easy too. So that's all for today. If you have liked this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button with the bell button, and I will see you again with lots of fermented food and drinks recipes. Stay happy and healthy.